Hey everyone, I think we are live again. First thing first, Merry Christmas to all those who are on a production app. So recently, I built okay, yeah. So recently I built I worked on a feature at my work. It was related to something Christmas challenge, and I thought maybe I will share the thought process, how like what is the thought process behind shipping anything on a production app, especially on the client side of things. So let's start that. Maybe let me do quickly one thing. So let's refresh. If you check first thing first, we are getting our Christmas mystery challenge going on message, and after 5 seconds, the message is auto disappearing. Let me quickly check if we are live or not. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I think we are live. Okay. Uh, mm, mm, mm. Okay, yeah, we are live. I can watch the stream on my phone. Mm, okay. Yeah, so if you saw the message that comes when you land on this page for the first time, it won't come again. Even if you refresh, you won't see the message again because when you are doing something like when you start a challenge, maybe a Christmas sale or a Diwali sale or a Black Friday sale, first thing first you want to do is you want to let the user know that there is a sale going on, there is a challenge that is happening. There are different ways to do that. Give me a sec. Um, yeah, yeah. So there are different ways to do that. You can maybe use a modal. Uh, to show that there is a challenge going on. Maybe you can use a banner kind of UI. Maybe you can do the way we are doing it. So we are showing a message, and then after 5 seconds, we are just hiding it, and it won't come again. That was the first hint to let the user know that we have a challenge on our mm, on we have a challenge going on our app. So if you not sure if you have if everyone will have experience, but this is a Web3 UI app. Basically, you can do Web3 transactions here. Maybe you can swap interchain between chains. You can add liquidity to pools. You can then like you will get percent on the fee. You can you can see your positions. Yeah. So this is a Web3 app. The challenge is to do a set of tasks. After completing set of tasks, you will get a reward. Let me add this. Yeah. Do we have anyone watching? No, we don't have. It's fine. Yeah. So as you saw, the first hint to user was that intro message. The then the second thing we are doing is a subtle animation on the button itself. If you can see, like there are some glittering stars kind of effect. Again, just to I'm zooming it so you can see. Yeah. Again, this is just a subtle animation to improve the user experience. The one more experience we are giving is this little animated GIF. Again, very subtle, but everything makes a difference on on a good for a good user experience. This was the second thing. Now third thing, if you like, this is a landing view, but suppose if you have completed a task, you will also see a progress bar around this button. Maybe I can show it. First, let's click on it. When you click on it, you will see the you can see that we are right now these tasks are for base chain. So we have this challenge going on a set of chains. It's Solana, Arbitrum, Sui, Zero G, Base, and Monad. On each chain, there are different set of tasks you need to do to get the rewards. The total combined rewards is 50K, but yeah, you can do the set of tasks. Now, so again, this is a third interaction that a user will have with our this challenge. Again, right now we are on base chain. If we suppose disconnect, connect on a different chain, say maybe Arbitrum, connect wallet. Give me a sec. If we connect right now, if you can see the arrow is pointing to Arbitrum logo. So these are the set of tasks for Arbitrum. You can complete these tasks, you will get the reward. And one more, the now the in the fourth interaction that user will have with the task is itself. So right now, like you can only see one task at a time. When you complete it, you can see the task on other boxes. Like right now, the first task on Arbiter is to do a sub worth more than 25 USD. Oh, I don't have enough funds to do that. That's why. But yeah, this was the fourth interaction. Again, to give a good user experience, we have added a subtle animation on the tooltip show and hide. Uh, if you are on front end, like I think I read it in a blog. I'm not sure which blog, but to give a good this scaling animation, it's good if you can use the transform origin property in CSS. Right, I think I've set it to bottom. That's it appears like it's going inside the box and it's coming from the box, which is a good experience. I think default is center, so it will just be it won't be like this by default. Yeah, and then yeah, you can close the dialog. And so these are the interaction before you have completed a task. But suppose when you complete a task, you will have a different experience. So I'm not sure if I can do any task. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see if any task we can do any task. Oh no, we can't do it because doing a serve more than 25 USD. I don't think I have that much. Mm-mm-mm. How can I show you? So there are a few more UI flows for the user. Suppose if you complete a task, we are again showing a message here that you have completed a task with an animated with a video, which is like unboxing this mystery box. Mm, 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 mm. One way to do it, just to show you, not sure if that will work though. If I directly make changes in the variables that we are storing. Mm. Okay. Mm, mm. It's not here because there are not completing tasks. Uh, uh, mhm. Yeah, this is also fully responsive. Like we have few more components here. Suppose if there is any error, I think for error I can show you. If I disconnect, yeah, see this error is coming that not connected, wallet not found. If I disconnect on a different chain, say I don't think there is any. Maybe let me confirm. Like we don't have the challenge on BSC. Let's connect our wallet there. So this is another hint to let user know that it's a wrong network. There are no Christmas challenge for it. Then there is a loading state here as well. Then suppose if you complete all the mystery boxes, there is a claim. There is a claim button here. Again, that claim button itself has different states. If claim initiated, if it's in claiming, if you have completed the claim, then you will see then you will see the amount as well. For those things, um, mm, 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 mm. One thing I want to show is the view when the UI when you complete a task. What could be the way for it? Mm, mm. Let me think. If I'm not wrong, we are calling an API quest here. The quest. Mm, oh man, we can't do any task like everything needs more than worth $20 or minimum 10, which I don't have. Oh, we can't do any task on the live stream. Yeah, but like this was a user flow. At each step, we want to give user a good experience. I can't show all the flows in this live, but if you are into Web3 and have funds yeah, if you will do this, and if you will do this challenge, you will. I'm 100% sure you will have a good user experience. Few more things that I think I can show is escape chain. Yeah. So this is our this is the AMM landing page, and this is the skate chain landing page. Again, here as well, there are subtle animations like this animated Santa cap, and at the bottom as well. And if you go on X, I'm not sure if we can without login. Yeah, we can like see the post. So if you see the post we have posted, this is the state when you have claimed when you have completed all the task. We saw the button claimed as I was mentioning. Then this is the reward amount that you get. Like we have in this screenshot, it's hidden, uh, but you will also see the amount that you received. Then there are a few more views. Like this is when you completed all the task and you have clicked on the claim button. Then it will go in claim initiated state. Then in our we will send the rewards in our backend and it will change into claimed state. So this is the UI. Like this is the confettis are animated. It is not static like in this screenshot. It is coming like this, but when you will complete the task, you will get the confettis. I think that's all. Yeah, so that is all for the user flows on this Christmas challenge. A few more things, not very visible, but if you hover on this, you will get the tooltip that complete all tasks to unlock the claim. Once you have completed all the tasks, this lock will get open. We are changing it to a different, basically, icon. Yeah, so yep, I think these are the things that whenever you are working on the client side on a production app, you need to think. It's about the first, like all the things I mentioned so far, it's all about giving a good user experience throughout the process. These are not the technical things. There are some technical things that we should care. Suppose it's about web performance. Since we are loading these images, we could like first of all use images that image format uh, that have good performance on the web. It's like web, if I'm not wrong. Then SVGs and everything else. It's about web security. There's not something critical in this because the main transaction of sending rewards is happening on our backend. So it's not in here. What else? For good experience, you should make it responsive because I was checking the traffic on this after this when we made this challenge live. I was constantly monitoring the traffic on our site on Versal, and I can see that more users are coming from mobile than desktop. It's 60-40 ratio. Earlier, like before, it was reverse. It was 60% on desktop, 40 on mobile. Uh, yep, I think yep. This was the thought process behind pushing this on the prod. Always, it's sad that I can't show you all the things. Like when you suppose if you do any task, you will also see a progress bar here. It's sad. It is sad. It is sad. Mm, okay. Like I can make changes in my if I run the app in my local store in my local host and run it, but it won't be a good idea because I can't show the code to you. It's a private repo. Mm, 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 mm. So in this live, I thought instead of maybe coding out a component, I will show what it likes to push a new feature on a production app. So this was the latest thing that I worked on. The other things you can see on UI like just this notification component. I also worked on this feature. If you think right now, like I have some active notifications, so we have a ping animation here again, a subtle animation to give a user to have a good user experience. When you click on it, you will see all the like right now I'm on different network, but if suppose you're on the right network, you will see the claim button here. These are basically rewards that I got after helping in booster range, something related to Web3 in this booster range. Again, see here again, I have to give a good user experience. It's since it's only live on Solana chain, and right now we are on Arbitrum. It's a disabled here, and on over you will see that we are showing it's live on Solana. I think so. All when I say all these subterfuges, it's not like I've come up with like I've done the implementation of course, but many times like I in the team itself we got comments we can do this, we can do that, and then yeah, my work is to implement them. Like in this case, earlier the task view was something different. Earlier, what I was doing in the in this box itself, I was scaling down this mystery box and was showing text in the box itself. But because we are constrained there on the box size, we were not able to show the all the text. So I was formatting it on the front end. But later said our founder gave a comment that we should think of a different UI to show the task, and then like I come up with this. I came up with this view. Yeah, it was my work to design and implement it. One more thing. So far we have seen two features. One is for this Christmas challenge. Second is for this notification. Third thing that I worked on is integrating a third party vendor. Okay. Yeah, if you can see that right now it's SKTM, but you can just select a different vendor, different venue for to execute this swap. It's OKX. SKTM has better codes, that's why it is pre-selected, but you can change if you want. Again, something recently added. Yeah, I think that was all for this live. I think it was a short live, but mm, there are there's no one to ask any questions. So I'm not sure what else we can do. It's Christmas, so maybe we can end it here itself. But if you are watching it later and have any doubts, any questions that you could have asked if you had joined this live, you can comment it out. I will check them. I will reply uh, if I can. Yeah, I think that was all. Thank you. Thank you for watching it later. I'm ending it now. Bye.